Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make better product decisions. Today, we're talking about what I truly believe is the best protein mask for damaged hair on the market right now. The L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Power Restore Multi-Use Treatment. Let's start with what makes this product so unique. The Power Restore Mask is designed specifically for those of us dealing with damaged, overworked hair. Whether your hair is weak, brittle, tangled, split at the ends, or just plain fried from styling and heat tools, this formula is built to revive it from the inside out. It contains a massive 91 grams of repair concentrate with protein per jar. That's right, 91 grams. Which means you're giving your hair a concentrated dose of strengthening and conditioning every time you use it. The texture is a lightweight cream that melts right into your hair fiber. It doesn't just sit on the surface and pretend to work, it penetrates. You feel the difference even after one use. What's great about this formula is that it doesn't weigh the hair down. It's light, it's effective, and it's packed with protein to reinforce your strands. Now, let's talk versatility. This isn't just a basic rinse-out conditioner. You can use it in 3 different ways. As a rinse-out mask after shampooing. As a co-wash if you're skipping shampoo altogether, or as a leave-in treatment for daily protection. That's what I love about it. You're not locked into one use case. If your schedule is tight or you don't have time for a full wash day, you can still apply a bit of this as a leave-in and get amazing results. The scent is another plus. It's a sophisticated floral and creamy blend, with juicy green notes that leave your hair smelling fresh, but not overpowering. It's a salon-like experience right in your own bathroom. To get the absolute best results, it pairs beautifully with the rest of the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 system, including the shampoo and conditioner. Together, they work like a power trio to restore strength, shine, and smoothness to your hair. And let's not forget the price point. At just under $10 for a generous 23 fluid-ounce jar, you're getting salon-level treatment at a drugstore price. For international buyers, even with shipping and import charges, it still comes out far cheaper than most high-end treatments offering the same benefits. It's currently one of the most popular hair treatments on Amazon, with thousands of purchases just in the last month. But beyond the numbers, what makes this product stand out is that it actually delivers on its promises, without gimmicks or trends. So, if you're looking to rebuild your hair's strength, reduce breakage, and bring back that healthy, shiny bounce, this is the one to try. It's simple, it's effective, and it's made by a brand that knows what it's doing when it comes to hair care. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. See you next time.